Hi and welcome back to the Paradise Garage. Here is a short video on disassembling the cam carriers. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, etc. Old motors have of course a lot of stock bolts, and I'm trying to remove all of them here in the video. Not everything on camera, but the one in the back, which I'm going at right here, actually snapped off camera later, so that has to be drilled out. That was done off camera as well, I think. Actually, removing bolts is about the only thing that really sucks when it comes to working with old engines, if you ask me. And yeah, bolt terror, I would like to say. But most of them actually worked out pretty easily with the double nut method, as you see here. Most of these pin bolts actually came out fairly easily, as you can see here. A lot of time is spent on removing bolts. Quite annoying if you ask me, but that's how it is with old cars and old motors. Getting all these bolts out in order to, resurrect whatever you're working on. And now we're on to the rocker axles. These bolts, 6 of them, are, well, they're not easy to get out, to say it simple. Actually mangled 2 of them, so they had to be drilled out. Fortunately, not expensive spare parts if you do it right. But as you can see, they are in there quite firmly. In order to get the rocker axle out, you need to have a 1/4 inch, no, 3/8. The first size down from the 1/2 inch. I can never remember what it is. It actually fits pretty perfectly inside here, and then you simply knock the rocker axle out. And this came extremely easy, I must say. And there you go. I lost the nut, but it on a magnet there. We're soon going to have it. And there comes the rocker. No play. Good as new. And that's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, etc., 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 etc. And we'll see you soon. Bye bye.